everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Kentucky Derby is usually run the first Saturday in May, and we are anticipating that very soon. We're focusing on Kentucky Derby favorite. We're starting off with Kentucky Hot Brown Sandwich, which is a delicious Kentucky classic. Let's go see how this all comes together. It is almost Kentucky Derby time, and the week that I'll be uploading this is the week before the Kentucky Derby, which is always the first Saturday in May. In honor of that, today we are making a remake of a video I made a very long time ago, about 6 years ago, for a Kentucky Hot Brown Sandwich. This is a Kentucky classic. It is an open-faced sandwich with bacon, turkey, tomato, and a Mornay sauce that I have made with Monterey Jack cheese and Parmesan cheese. It's super easy to make. I also have a video for this that I made about the same length of time ago. I will leave a link to this down below. I will be including what you need to make the sauce in this recipe that I will post on my website, so no worries there. And what you need to start off with is I have 2 pieces of sourdough bread that I have toasted. This was too big to put in my toaster, so I had to put it in long ways and then flip it over and toast the other side. I have some sliced tomatoes, some cooked bacon, some roasted turkey breast, and my Monterey Jack Mornay sauce. This is just a basic bechamel, which you start with a roux, so butter and flour, and then add milk, and then add Monterey Jack and Parmesan cheese until it's nice and thick and delicious, and that's what you get when you're all done. It's perfect. And what we're gonna do is build this on a sheet pan, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop this under the broiler so it gets nice and bubbly and toasty. Now when you order this in a restaurant, you actually get it in a little like ramekin, and it's popped under the broiler, and we're gonna serve it with some cranberry sauce. And this is just a really easy, quick meal that you can make any time of year, but it's super delicious. And this here is just Jennie-O turkey that I bought in the meat case. This is also an excellent use for leftover turkey after you roast a turkey, like at Thanksgiving or at the holidays. Maybe you roasted a turkey for Easter and you have some left over in your freezer. This is a great way to use it. So there are a couple ways you can make this. You can put the turkey and then the tomatoes on top of your toast. And then you can put the bacon on top and then cover everything in the sauce, or you can put the sauce on, pop it under the broil, and then put the bacon on top. But I like to put the bacon on top here. And make sure you put plenty of bacon or your husband will complain. And I think I'll move these around just so it's a little bit easier to deal with. Now, you can just drizzle on this cheese sauce. You don't have to like cover it. You're not gonna wanna drown it, but you're gonna wanna give it enough. So I'm gonna say about 3 of these ladles, which isn't very much at all. This sauce will make enough for 4 to 6 sandwiches, depending on how large you make them. And some is gonna drip off onto the pan. Now I'm gonna pop these under the broiler for just a few minutes until they get browned and bubbly, and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you what they look like when they're all finished. All right, there you have it. There is our Kentucky Hot Brown, fresh out of the oven. I gave it a little sprinkle of paprika, and I'm just gonna cut this in half for you so you can see what it looks like. There we go, absolutely beautiful. The best part about this sandwich is really it's already ready. If you don't want to stick it under the broiler, guess what? You don't have to. You can just pour that sauce on top and eat, and have dinner.
So it's ready already?
It's ready already. It's already ready already. I'm going to have Rick give this a taste because, you know,
if I have to.
I know you guys love it when he gives that a taste. Good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So like I said, this is a really great way to put dinner on the table. It's a nice, substantial, open-faced sandwich. You can have this any time of year. It's really simple to put together. And you can use whatever kind of bread you have. You can make this with roasted chicken. You can make this with leftover roast turkey. You can do it whatever you want. I bought a Jennie-O roasted turkey breast at the grocery store, and it works out just perfect. The sauce is really fast to throw together, and you're gonna love it. You can also use this Mornay sauce on fish. You can use it on chicken. It's just really good. You can make macaroni and cheese with it. It'll be delicious. So that is how you make a beautiful Kentucky Hot Brown Sandwich in honor of the Kentucky Derby, which is coming up here pretty soon. Why not just enjoy it? You know, sometimes we have to have a reason to have a celebration. No, you really don't. This is a celebration anytime you put it on the table. I hope you give it a try. If you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my kitchen, I'd like to say welcome. It's always a pleasure to welcome new friends. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. And if you are already a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that you give this Kentucky hot brown sandwich a try sometime soon for the Kentucky Derby or anytime. And I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.